Welcome to Top Tech. Logging is a dangerous and demanding industry, but it's essential to our way of life. Wood is used to build our homes, craft our furniture, and produce paper, along with many other products. Without loggers, we wouldn't have many of the things we rely on every day. This video takes you on a tour of some of the most impressive heavy machinery and equipment that make the logging industry more efficient and effective. The UNTPS 1300 is built to handle logs and other bulky materials with a cutting capacity of up to 1,300 millimeters in width. Featuring a robust design and powerful performance, this machine ensures efficient and precise shredding for a variety of applications. With adjustable settings and a highly durable cutting system, the PS1300 delivers consistent, high-quality results. Its portability and easy setup make it an ideal choice for on-site shredding, offering both flexibility and enhanced productivity for professionals managing large-scale material processing tasks. The Pezolato TB600 is designed to handle large logs and branches with a cutting capacity of up to 600 millimeters in diameter. Equipped with a powerful engine and durable cutting system, this machine delivers high performance in wood processing and biomass projects. The TB600 features a flexible design, allowing for easy transport and quick setup across different sites, optimizing work time. Its robust operation makes it an ideal choice for large-scale wood processing tasks, significantly enhancing efficiency and productivity. The Logasol B751 can handle logs up to 75 centimeters in diameter and 4.8 meters in length, with an option to extend for longer logs. Designed with a stable rail system and adjustable settings, It allows for precise and smooth cuts, producing high-quality lumber. With a lightweight and portable design, the Logasol B751 is easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for on-site milling in remote locations, offering flexibility and efficiency to users. The Marshall tree saw features a 30 to 36-inch blade with a powerful motor reaching up to 1,000 RPM, allowing it to cut through tree trunks quickly and efficiently. Designed for trimming and clearing vegetation, it's ideal for handling small to medium-sized trees and dense brush. This machine is perfect for land management, expanding agricultural areas, or preparing construction sites, significantly saving time and effort. The Vermeer AX-19 brush chipper is a powerful machine designed for efficiently handling large brush, branches, and logs. With a feed capacity of up to 19 inches in diameter, the AX-19 is built for heavy-duty chipping tasks. Powered by a high-horsepower diesel engine, it ensures consistent performance even in the toughest conditions. The machine features an automatic feed system for smoother operation and increased productivity, making it ideal for commercial landscaping, land clearing, and forestry work. Its robust design and mobility allow for easy transport between job sites, ensuring both reliability and efficiency. The Comtech Chippo 8010C can process wood up to 75 centimeters in diameter, powered by a robust 789 horsepower engine, ensuring high efficiency in all working conditions. Specifically designed for wood processing and biomass energy projects, it features a flexible discharge system with adjustable height and direction, making it adaptable to various work environments. Mounted on a truck chassis, the Chippo 8010C is easily transportable between job sites, saving time, reducing labor, and significantly boosting productivity. Thank you for joining us today at Top Tech as we explored some of the most powerful and impressive equipment in the logging industry. Stay tuned for more exciting tech showcases.